Hi, my name is Lisa Flowers, and I am a stylist at Lisa Styles for You in Fayetteville, Georgia at the Indiby Hair Salon Suites. Today we are going to do a couple of techniques, one being the ombre technique, and then the second technique we're going to do is the balayage technique. And today I'm going to do these techniques on Shamika. This is my model. Shamika has a very healthy head of relaxed hair. And we previously did the ombre technique on her back in June. And so today we're going to just touch her color up and we're going to add a few balayage highlights to just blend the new growth and the darker hair in with the lighter hair down at the bottom. These are the supplies that we'll be using today. We have some gloves. We have two brushes. A smaller one we'll use for the balayage technique. The larger one we're going to use for the ombre technique. And this is a hair painting tool, just a spatula to help us keep the product off of the hair that we don't want to get color on. We have a rat tail comb and clips for sectioning. We also have some saran wrap and cotton to protect the hair that we don't want to get color on. Also a mixing bowl. Today we're using our Pravana color line, and this is the No Lift Developer with the powder lightener. Okay, we're going to get started. We're going to start off by sectioning her hair in about 6 or 7 sections, and we're just going to clip those off so that we can have control as we're doing this process. I'm going to start in the back 2 sections, and because we're just doing a touch-up on her color, I'm going to start out with just hand painting just a couple of sections, small sections of hair to just blend in her color from her darker roots down to the previously colored hair. And with this technique, that's when we're going to do the balayage, and that is just hand painting as opposed to your traditional methods of color, which would be foiling or pulling it through the cap. So this is just a way to add some soft, subtle, natural highlights that don't look overdone, just very subtle and natural. Okay, we're going to start by taking just a couple of small sections within each subsection of the hair because we want this to be very natural and subtle highlights. And so I'm going to use my small brush and my hair painting tool that's just going to help me control this hair that I'm working with. I'm going to start 2 or 3 inches away from the scalp area, and in a sweeping motion I'm going to apply the lightener down the strand of the hair. But I want to make sure that I have this strand thoroughly saturated for even coverage. And then right at the top, you want to just make sure that you just use light feather strokes. And this is where you'll want to take a piece of your cotton. Shamika, can you break that for me? It's right at that point. And you can just lay the cotton underneath that strand of hair to protect that, and then you'll just move on to your next section. And once again, just small sections. You want this to be very subtle. So I'll start down a little further, and as I come up, I want to make sure that I'm using a soft sweeping motion. with just the corner of the brush. Okay, we're doing our final section on this balayage technique, and if you've noticed, I've been very careful not to go all the way to the ends of the hair where the hair has been previously colored, and I've also made sure to stay away from the scalp area, and that way we don't have to worry about a line of demarcation as this is growing out, and it'll be a lot easier to maintain this color, especially on relaxed hair. Okay, so we have finished Shamika. We finished her out with a roller set, and so this is what our ombre and balayage technique looks like. And you can see that we have blended the hair very nicely, and it also looks like she's got a full head of highlights, but actually we just used just a few sections, just a few small sections to enhance the color. Thank you all for watching this video today. I hope you have learned something that you can use. If there's anything that I can help you with, or any questions or concerns you might have, you may contact me at 404-583-6052. Or if you'd like to schedule an appointment, you can reach me at Lisa Styles for You. And if you schedule an appointment, you will receive a free hydration treatment. Thank you.